Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO M6 and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first, open the settings. Then find and select apps. Here go to manage apps. And now mark more icon. Here go to other settings and you will notice reset app preferences in the middle of the list. Just mark it, and now if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application interactions, or background data restriction for apps, just mark reset apps. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.